Welcome to my channel. Today is a travel day, and today I decided we're going to go down to the Salton Sea. So the Salton Sea is in Southern California. It's about 25 miles from Indio, California. So the Salton Sea is in the middle of a desert. This was the first time I had been to the Salton Sea. So we took a trip down there, me and my family, and pretty much the Salton Sea is in the middle of nowhere. And on top of that, it was actually raining in the desert. Can you believe that? In a summer day, it was actually raining. It was summer monsoons here in Palm Springs, that area. So we were following the signs, and it's pointing to the supposed sea, because actually, if you look at it, Salton Sea looks like an ocean in the desert, believe it or not, because you can't see, well, you can see across, but the water seems to go on forever. So we made three attempts to go to the water, and finally on our third attempt, as we got lost, basically just stayed on the freeway, we got lost trying to actually find it. So here we go. This is welcome to the Salton Sea Beach. Surprise, surprise, there was no Salton Sea Beach. So we took the road down there, and this is supposedly Salton Sea Beach. So as we were driving down, we noticed that the whole area is run down. There's a lot of abandoned homes. A lot of homes are actually in disrepair. But in this area was actually the nice part of the area. Now we're driving through the neighborhood, and as you can see, it looks pretty run down. A lot of graffiti. This is actually near the beach. A lot of dead trees. It looked like it was prior neighborhood. It was a planned community, but all you see are just empty streets with signs and nothing else, just empty lots. So it is a really sad area, driving through here. I mean, I'd expect to see,
wow, they're all
some
abandoned.
beachfront homes,
kind of cool,
but
though.
Pretty much there wasn't anything near the beach. And then, as you can see,
there's a trailer right inside it, literally, too.
You can see it. Actually, there's an RV inside it. Back in the 1950s and 60s, Salton Sea was actually a resort area with lots of fish, and you could swim and jet ski and ride your boats out there. And now we actually found a road that it actually goes up to the water, and this is the only road that we could find, and pretty much this is as close as you can get. And apparently these are the beachside homes that you can see the view, and there are only a few of them, so we decided to stop here and check it out. And we actually got down and walked around on. So here is the Salton Sea, as you can see there, and it is actually it smells. As you can see, the water has receded. I believe the water probably came all the way up to the road. There you go. We're on the beach now, and my son and I decided to go down there, and there is a foul smell there, so I would not recommend. As we were walking, we saw a sign posted, well, not really posted, it was just laying on the beach. And then there you go. And it was a warning about the algae. The algae levels there are really high, red algae, and it is toxic. So they said, do not go in the water. And there you go. You can see it right there. And it was pretty bad. My son is all about going into water, but as he saw that, oh, here you can see the makeup of the sand. It's not even sand. It looks like crushed shells, and you're walking on like coral, pretty much, kind of like Hawaii or some other beach like that in the tropics. But no, that's dead fish carcasses and mollusks, whatever used to live in the water that died. The view looks almost kind of like besides a lake, of course, it also looked like an ocean in the desert. And it is beautiful, from far away, but like I said, it is a toxic area, and I wouldn't recommend going near the water. So walking from the street, we decided to go see the beachfront homes, and behind the beachfront homes was probably a canal where they used to be able to put their boats in and then ride out to the lake from there. but as you can see, it's all dried up. There is actually some remnants of docks there, and there are a couple boats down there that are pretty much on dry lake beds, and there's the canal. You can see that. And again, it was a master plan community, it looks like, and then you could probably have a beach house right there too. But since it's gone downhill, there's really nothing there.
Hey, if you just watched my video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please subscribe to Eric C. Productions.